everybody, it's Ember Playas, and welcome to a new unboxing video. Woo! I actually like the idea a bit. Okay. Yeah, sorry about this. That's just the way I'm actually managing to hold the camera. Ow! I mean, I would have... Oh, God. I think I got it. Yep, I did. Okay. Ooh. Oop, it's stuck. Okay, here we go. And let me just pull all this out. Ooh, look at that, and it looks like I've got looks like I got a donkey to put in my collection. This is really cool. I mean, I don't have a lot of donkeys. Using this well, I don't have a lot of animals. This is for the collection, but this is really nice. And here we've got Bob. He looks really cool. So does Larry. I mean, look at this. This looks really sick. Paw Grape. Look at him. He looks really cool. Oh, Junior Asparagus looks really nice in this too. I like this one. And Mr. Lunt, he looks really fabulous with that crown. Oh my god, the French peas look really hot. Actually, they look really cute with like this. It's so adorable. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. But anyways, remember, God made you special, and He loves you very much. Bye!